What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today me and Matthew are gonna fix Mama's car. Right, Matthew?
Mine's going back up.
Well, it's a jack, it goes up and down. So we're gonna take this, Matthew, and take it to Mama's car. Yeah? Okay, take it. Take it, let's go to Mama's car. Come on, Matthew, you can do it. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Come on. You gotta press hard. Go all the way down. All the way down. Cool. There you go. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, yeah.
When is it come up, pick up? My boat team.
Good job, team. Good job, team. Are you done? A little more? Here, let me help you. Good job, team. Give me 5. Yeah. Alright, so let's see what's exactly going on with wife's car. And what I found is there's a lot of banging when you're driving. It sounds like something is clanking, and I checked a bunch of stuff. I couldn't see anything, everything was fine. There was no ball joints or anything messed up. And the only thing I could find, I was basically trying to shake the car around, asked wife to shake the car around, climbed underneath, looked everywhere, and I found that it was coming from this guy right here. And then looking at the boot right here on the sway bar link, it's ripped. And then when I was kind of shaking it around, it felt like there was play in there. And so yeah, I decided to go ahead and buy 2 new ones for both sides, left side and right side. And I'm gonna go ahead and swap these over. I don't know why this one has the white dots. I don't know what that's for, because this one does not. It just has, I'm assuming just a different design, but this one just has the circle right here. And then this one has the white dots. I'm just guessing it's a new type of design. Don't know, no clue. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these guys. Let's do this side first because this one's ripped, and then I'm gonna do the other side. And hopefully it's not going to make any more noises. That's pretty much the only thing that's wrong with this car. It has about 65,000 miles on it. We got it with 4,000 miles, and wife likes it. That's the only problem we had. So, and it seems like it's a maintenance problem, nothing really major. It's not a Ford problem, it's just a little maintenance problem. All right, Matthew, are you ready to fix this?
Yes, what fix?
These little sticks right here. We're going to replace those sticks.
Oh.
All right.
You look like little toys.
Little toys. You're right. All right, Matthew. Let's get this done.
What are these on here?
I don't know what they are.
Little circles?
Little circles, yep. Little circle doodles.
Grapes.
No. Hold on, I'm trying to see. Sorry. Well, I'm trying to put the camera somewhere.
Can I help you?
No.
You need a bigger one?
No, I don't need a bigger one.
They do like that.
I'm trying to see how to do
Can I
it.
help you?
Hold on, Matthew. I'm trying to see how to make it better. Hold on. Where do you got it? You don't got nothing. Where are you going? Why? This boy's gonna bring me some more tools. Hey, I need a number 10 socket. I can never find number 10.
I have this pen and this pen.
You have this 10 and this 10?
That could
Oh wow, you found a 10mm socket?
help.
Whoa, I could never find that. Yeah, you can hold this. I'll try it with this one first.
Okay, and then can I take it?
Yes.
Can I stick it in here?
I'll go other side. Stick it on other side.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, Dada.
You're a silly dada. You're a silly boy.
Can you see me from here?
No.
I see you.
Okay, don't fix everything. Let me fix stuff.
Okay, you fix on that side and I'll fix on this side.
Okay. Alright, so that's good, that's good. Wait a minute, are you kidding me? Does this not slide out? What in the world? Is this a joke, Ford? Are you really kidding me? Are you for real? How did you make this junk not slide out? Why would anybody need to remove this in order to pop this guy out? That's just so stupid. That's insane. Well, let me see if I can maybe dent that metal in just a little bit. It's bulging out just a bit from the factory. This part right here. So weird. So weird. So weird. Oh, come on. I think it's doable. Now I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the other one in. That's going to be a little weird. I might have to bend this in just a little bit. Well, that's stupid. That's so stupid. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's so weird that they did that. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to get this in there? Oh my goodness. You people. Why wouldn't they make a little dent in here or something to make it easier? Nah, this 15-minute job is gonna freaking turn into what? 2-hour job?
To cereal?
To cereal?
Yes.
No, Matthew, not cereal. What am I gonna do, Matthew?
Put some cereal in there.
Cereal? I'm not gonna put cereal in there.
It will work when you put cereal in there.
Well, actually, I have an idea. I think if I jack the control arm up Yeah, that'll work, Matthew, right? If I jack up the control arm, it'll go up and it'll be good. Yeah? Let's try it.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, what?
Okay.
Okay.
I still want to scarf.
Yep. Okay, let's try that. Let's jack up the...
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Matthew, can you move a little bit, please? Can you move a little bit, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's enough?
Yeah, it's enough.
Well, a little bit more, maybe. Yeah. Good born?
Yeah, that's good. I think that will work. That will work. Okay, Ford, sorry.
Got it!
We got it. Yay. Okay. Well, I didn't know that. Well, why'd you put the bump there, Ford? Yeah, Matthew, why'd you put the bump there? Okay, now we can lower it. There we go. All right, that's much better. And then we're gonna slide the bottom one in. There we go. Alright, so that side is done. Let's do the other side real quick. I was hoping this side was going to be quicker, but it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to have to jack up the front to squeeze it out. No big deal. No big deal. outside and the job is done. I got like 2 minutes before I have to go to work. So yeah, here's the other one. It's too wobbly. It's ripped. There's some play in there. So when the wife was driving, she was getting a lot of play. Hold on, Matthew, wait. So when wife was driving, you get a lot of banging and clicking. This one is fine, but this one is clicky. Clicky, clicky, Matthew. And then this one, this is the driver's side. It's a little looser than this one's nice and stiff. This one's a little more loose. But when you're doing that job, might as well do 2 new ones, because I'm pretty sure the other one was gonna give out maybe another 5,000-10,000 miles. So Matthew, we are done with this project. Can you help me take the jacks back to the garage? Please? Please? All right, Viola's gonna help me. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. The Ford is now done. Fix or repair daily is complete. And hopefully wife's gonna be happy. She was complaining that it was banging and clinking and she was scared that the wheels are gonna fall off. You know, women. Shh. But that's done. Matthew helped us. Say Matthew, say bye. Okay, thanks for your help. So once again guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. See ya.